Yeah, I know. She was so surprised.
Really?
It wasn't very big, just a little bug, but Flower went easy.
OMG, Flower is really afraid of bugs.
Well, yeah. Flower thinks she's so fat, like the time she asked Icy if she was beautiful.
Ice Cube, don't you think I look beautiful?
Oh, no. Oh, I remember that. I am so gonna get revenge on her. I cannot believe how she thinks we will be her servants. I'm so glad you guys are my friends though. Really. Bubble likes me too. Right, Bubble?
Yeah? Pin, you nearly pulped me.
Oh, it's not my fault. It's the stupid Blocky here. It's his fault.
Bob! Yikes! What was that?
Hey, I'm just in the mood to hurt someone.
Get up! There's a life out there to enjoy, so enjoy it!
Pen, though, you're cool. So are you, eraser. Ugh. Whoa! Rocky! Wake up!
What? Hi, Icy! Hi, Timmy, my good old friend. Connie, you're so dumb.
Connie, stop fighting and sponge it. Take a bath. You're stinky.
Sorry. Isn't Golf Ball bossy? I know. She is like a bossy bot. Or Flower, or Woody, or Spongy.
Well, then you're in luck.
How?
Well, Dream Island.
How much will it cost?
So yes, whoever stays on the bar the longest wins.
Let's help each other.
No!
Blocky, wake up! What are you doing?
Oh.
Out of my way! I need my space!
Help me, Pin.
Thanks.
Let's throw an alliance.
That would do no harm.
Let's do it.
What? An alliance? I've got to join. Coming through. Hey guys, can I be part of your...
Wake up! Oops.
Snatch.
Coiny, don't ever... Oops.
Yay!
There's the evil Flower. She's still in.
Let's run her over.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Hey, we're flying.
You're right.
Woohoo! Uh-oh. Pull up.
I can't. Oh no! Rocky!
What is it?
You were stepping on me.
Better?
Yes, now pull us up.
I'm wearing non-slip shoes, so
Snatch.
Oh my
Nice going, Pin. A job well done.
Teardrop, let's swing. Yay!
Pin, alliance, remember?
Oh yeah.
Leafy, you're stepping on me.
What? Oops.
Wait, hold on a second. We didn't agree to that.
Look, when I win the island, I'll let you win the island.
That's where you're wrong. The two of you both win.
Wait, we both get the island?
Nope.
Oh,